Wow, look what got delivered today. This is my 100-watt solar kit that I ordered from Renogy. I guess we got an unboxing to do. Okay, first thing you see is a 10 amp fuse that I ordered with it, and the tool to take the connectors apart and put back together. Don't know if I really need it, but didn't want to take the chance. Here's all the wiring. These go to the battery and then to the controller. These go from the controller to the solar panel. Here is the controller. Just a PWM. It's not a MPPT. It's just the cheapest, but it'll work. I don't need anything fancy. This must be the brackets. Taped. Yep, and the brackets. I did want to try to tilt this. I haven't make my own tilt mount. Don't know if I'll be doing that, but we'll see. That's for the next step to be figured out. Let me take this panel out. There's a close-up of the panel. Does not look damaged. Which is amazing. Oh, I guess it did have, when they had these pads, that foam was on the back. I think that would be on the front, but oh well, it's not damaged. Alright, that's the unboxing. There's not much to it. Like I said, the controller, all the cables are here, brackets are here, fuse, panel. It's going to be a pretty simple hookup also. The only thing that might be a little complicated is I'm going to put these brackets on with VHB tape. These are really light. VHB tape on the bottom here, and attach it to the roof. See how that goes. Look for that on my next video. Gonna get started on this right away, I think.